we should not, and Grand Prime Minister is here, we should not ignore what they are saying lightly at all. With a tremendous respect, we don't want to move out of this courtroom and then all of a sudden we are told that there are protests down in such as in I'm not trying to intimidate anybody at all. All that I'm saying to you,
sorry, my lords. The utterances by the Honorable Camino, Council, I'm giving you the titles.
No, what I'm saying, let me say what I'm...
Unfortunately, they're insightful, they are trying to preempt matters that are not before this court. We do not know and we cannot speculate that anyone is going to be happy or unhappy about it. The sword of justice cuts both ways. There are those who are going to be happy, there are those who are going to be unhappy. That is how life is, but you cannot incite by saying from here, we will have protests, we will have what? We do not know of that. And unfortunately, my lords, I ask you to kindly restrain him from taking that route.
With your kind permission, Your Honor.
Please sit down. Please sit down. We want you to know that we have rendered ourselves in this matter. We have rendered ourselves in this matter, and we are not going to open this matter for a further court proceeding. There are two applications before the court, one by Dedlo Ching and one by Ndegwa. After Dr. Kamuna has spoken, we'll allow two people to respond, and then we'll make a ruling.
Indicated that two people, and I was prepared kindly to make an application.
Continue, Dr. Kamuna.
You know, I'm actually showing one sentence. When you read the book, I have referred to authorities in America. The judges have made a finding along this line. Yes, this is a bit of so and so dispute, but we shall not go ahead. We shall do it. So that's all I'm saying to you. You have heard, you have come up with a very, if I may say so, a ruling full of jurisprudence, and particularly my landlord, Lord Gachagua, has come up with something that I had not thought of very much at all. But all that I'm saying to you, that you are big, but you still have the discretion to say that, look, these are our findings, but still we are going ahead to give conservatory orders for so many days or so many weeks. So you still have that discretion for the sake of the country. Thank you.
My Lord, in brief response. May I send the Mr. Mubiri?
I appear for the 9th petitioner in the second cohort. My Lord, I stand to make an application for stay of the orders that have been issued this afternoon relating to the application that was before you, and having keenly listened and internalized the import of that ruling or order, my Lord, we wish to move the court, much as we have that opportunity by way of the orders that were given, that we were given right to appeal, that pending the appeal, pending the lodging of the appeal, my Lord, my Lord and my Lady, you allow us that opportunity of stay so that we can ventilate our issues before the appellate court. My Lord, what informs this application is that there is an apparent risk by the fill-up of the position of the Deputy President, and in our petition we had named the Professor Kigura Kindiki as a party in the petition that we had filed for the 9th petitioners. So that, my Lord, having analyzed and internalized that, we feel that the petition, in the fullness of time when the court is going to process it, we will be dealing with an issue that perhaps will compromise the rights of the ninth petitioner who has moved the court. And my lord, the other issue is that there is a period within which the respondents, if they have to move, they have to fill up that position of the deputy president. So that, my lord, there is no any prejudice that will be occasioned to the second respondent if the orders of stay gets issued, because by close of business today, my lord, we are going to lodge the notice, and that notice by itself acts as an appeal, and in the fullness of time, we shall be processing the application before the appellate court for appropriate orders to issue. My lord, I therefore associate myself with my colleagues on the application for stay so that we don't have the proceedings before you in the fullness of time when we come to canvass the petition to be rendered nugatory or academic. My lord, you have the discretion, and we ask and beseech you to exercise that discretion in the favor of the ninth petition. Thank you, my lord.
My Lord, I would like to make an application under Article 1.1 directly. My lady. My lords and my lady, we are thankful for your ruling today and the lengthy explanations and court case that has gone into it. Unfortunately, my lords and my lady, it seems that some people are being favored over us, and in this matter, it is the state or advocates. We are here acting in person, and we are entitled to the same equal protection of the law. We are here trying to defend the Constitution and our constitutional rights. I am being discriminated against as a woman, as a person with disabilities, and as a youth, my lords and my lady. We filed our application on the 8th of October 2024, and we thought that we would be enjoined as interested parties to participate in Tuesday's proceedings, but we were not. So we did not have the time to ventilate our issues properly. My lords and my lady, we are asking you to stay your orders for 7 days, as you have told us to come back on the 7th of November, so at least we get a fair chance, a fair fighting chance as a sovereign to also ventilate our issues properly. The state cannot override us, and advocates cannot override us, my lords and my lady. This is a court for equality, and we are asking for equality. My lords and my lady, we also appreciate that regardless said has asked for 7